This is Redmi A1 Plus, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can set up the VPN connection on this device. So to begin with, you will need to download and install the free third-party app that is called Turbo VPN. So let me do exactly that. It is a fairly lightweight application, so you should not have to wait for too long. Even if your internet connection is not so good. Then launch the app, tap at the green continue button over here. Then skip this annoying ad, tap at the caret icon to the, at the bottom part of display in order to finally connect your device to VPN. As you can tell by this little icon or indicator at the status bar, the VPN, I guess it shut itself down for some reason, so let me quickly reconnect my phone. So back to what I was saying, as you can see by this icon, the VPN connection was successfully established. While connected to proxy, you can reconnect yourself from one server to another. So let's say I will reconnect my phone from some server in Netherlands to UK Manchester. And finally, if you are ready to turn the VPN off, let me sit through this ad real quick. Sit through, if I can say that it can be quick. So once you're ready to disconnect, tap over here, choose the disconnect option, and that would be it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.